that's how a saw works.
Got an aisle line, that one.
I think there. To a bit more. Tiny bit more. Still. Yeah. So you want it, yeah, go up to the string. Yeah, is it right at the start? Yeah. 3980. Yeah. Yeah.
That's a bit same, isn't it? One more.
What, your next one?
Yeah, your angles.
Yeah, that should keep the same now, yeah. You just need your string just to get your length. Right. You hold that in there. Sorry. Yeah. Are you up to nail on this left side? Yeah. Like, just move on, just a whiskey to. Come on, this is how we do it. Can you get it like that? No, that I need that upside down. Good morning. How is everybody? One day closer to my vacation. Vacation? Holiday. All American. Yeah, off away Friday. Can't chuff him, wait. Can't wait. I just need to tell someone where I'm going. That's all I need. I need to tell someone where I'm going. Do a maiden. But this morning, don't look quite great on this angle. From this side, opens it right up. That's quite deep, that. 4.2 across the back side. We've put 4 of them on. As you've seen, health and safety a priority. Standing in wheelbarrows and on drills at the same time, just to get that extra inch in top. But yeah, it's quite a relief getting that done. I thought that were going to be a bit of a mess about. So we've got 6 flags to cut, plus a few triangles in between flags on angles, depending how it falls. And that's it really. We've had the go ahead to pale that. We're on about trying to get it done today. Just need less stuff to do tomorrow. The less I do tomorrow, the better for me. But then we've got new drain going in there, possible pipe, but I think it's all glued and welded, so it needs sawing off and doing from the inside, if I'm honest. I don't know. I'll have to have a look at it. And then that's getting done. And then there's an air vent in that sleeper that we did last year, October, September time. And that is, what's that getting done? Oh, just put another cover over that. It's got a cover, they just want like a grill. So as long as that is getting into it, it doesn't matter. But yeah, that's it. That's all we need to do. So once these flags are down, I'll be like, right, let's get that done. Let's just get as much as we can done. Because I just don't want any pressure this week at all. Looks like we're moving forward on Harrogate project. I told you I'd keep you up to date in how that's gone on, because obviously we've pulled off of it. Because we don't want to fall out with people, even if they're not our client. We don't want to fall out with them because we want work off of them later. So that's been given go ahead. That'll be starting shortly. But we're not doing all of it. We're not doing the front. We're just doing it to the back gate, and then they're going to negotiate again, which to me is they've paid a massive deposit. We're going to do is back up to the back gate and get rid of you. That's what I feel like that is. And then hopefully I can negotiate for front garden separately. That's what I want. But we'll see. But yeah, that is complete. I do like it. It's a weird shape. Only these two sides. I can't do my camera. This side and this side is square. That one is on an angle. That's on an angle coming back, and then you've got an angle coming back there as well. So you can't buy pergolas like this. This is why we make them, because then it's just bespoke. It's how you want it, what shape you want it at, and it's still probably half price of what you're gonna pay later on. So guys, Tom's gonna get a mix on. I'm gonna get cutting. See you shortly. Right guys, fast forward 2 hours. GoPro ran out as we were just laying them last few over there. But we've just cracked on. We have put these 4.2s on here. Look at colour difference. That was done in October. Said a word of him. That was done in October. That's how much the sun has bleached it and the rain and stuff already. But that will catch that up over time. And then we've just got 1.4 metres to put in there. So you get 3 in a 4.2 and a few mil spare. So that'll be getting done in the morning, and that is it. This patio looks immense now. We are putting grout in there tomorrow. Forgotten words. Putting grout in there tomorrow morning, and a bit of gravel underneath in between the posts. There's a few spare bags here from when we last time worked from that area there. So that'll be getting put in tomorrow, and we are done. Oh no, putting drain in there. Where that we're changing this pipe here. I don't know if you can tell it in camera, but that white to that white, that's an internal pipe. So obviously it's faded with sun once again, whereas all the down pipes are still clear, white, you know what I mean? So we're going to try and get some more of that tomorrow for him, if I can. It's an extra anyway, but if not, we'll sort it out. But yeah, that's it. It's a big tidy up. Hopefully we should be done for 2 o'clock tomorrow. Not putting pressure on myself, but it's just a nice day before, innit? Rather than working till 7, which I normally do. When I go away in August, we go away for like 3 weeks, something, 3.5 weeks, whatever. And it's always a big, massive stress to get to that point, whereas this is just, right, this is what we're doing. Looks good, that though. Do like that. So guys, I'll see you all in about 3 seconds, because I'm going to have this on the same video. So I'll see you all in about 3 seconds. But it will be 8 o'clock sharp.